Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so very much for joining me. And as you can see, it's a rainy day today. So that's what we're going to focus on. Is that beautiful, cleansing rain. That purifying rain. So please allow any other thoughts or concerns, or stresses, anxieties, pains of any kind to be washed away. Take this time to go within yourself, into your mental body, your thoughts, your emotional body, your feelings, and your physical body. And acknowledge any pains whatsoever, becoming aware of them. Thanking that part of you for getting your attention. That part has trapped energies from the past and the present that need to be released. And they're getting your attention to help you release them. So acknowledge whatever is there. Temporarily feel that pain. Momentarily feel that pain. One last time. And then surrender it to the cleansing, purifying rain. And see that rain coming down and washing you clean, washing that area clean, washing all of you clean. And just see and feel all of that happening as you are cleansed and purified on very deep levels. All the pains being washed away. Dripping right off of you. Feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter. Every moment becoming lighter and lighter. As the pain washes away. All you hear is the sound of water coming down and continuing to wash you clean. Release all those old energies you no longer need, all those heavy energies you no longer need, completely being washed away once and for all. The sound of clarity, the sound of purification, the sound of cleansing, nature's cleansing, nature's energetic shower. grateful and cleansed. Grateful for the cleansing of Mother Nature. Feeling purified. Mentally, emotionally, physically, and even at the DNA level. Every part of you, your spirit, your aura, completely cleansed, completely healed. Taking this time to thank Mother, Father, God, and the angels, and Mother Nature, and in particular, this miraculous water, this beautiful healing rain for washing you clean. And thanking yourself for allowing it to happen, for letting yourself be cleaned and cleared and purified, for helping yourself to do that. Bringing all these positive messages, positive energies, back to your mental and emotional, finally your physical body. Feeling renewed and refreshed and ready to start the day, cleansed and cleared and purified.